Frustrated with the Unity IL2CPP Runtime Services DLL crash ruining your 3D rendering? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll ensure your hardware and engine are communicating perfectly. While preparing the manual steps for Unity IL2CPP Runtime Services, check the description for a tool that assists with background library management. This is the Unity IL2CPP Runtime Services, a compatibility shim used by Unity IL2CPP builds to provide runtime marshaling and memory translation between managed and native components. It ensures interoperability across runtime layers. If corrupted, IL2CPP-based applications may crash during loading with errors such as scripting engine load failure. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. Because Unity IL2CPP Runtime Services DLL is specific to the Unity Engine Runtime Environment standard, Windows repairs won't work, and you should use the official installer for your primary program, where the error occurs, to refresh the application and restore the file. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Unity IL2CPP runtime services. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Restarting doesn't always catch everything. If you're still having trouble, let's try this next step together. And if you need to pause the video, I'm not going anywhere. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type LODCKTR//R, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. Please keep in mind that manual replacement of Unity IL2CPP Runtime Services DLL carries a high operational risk. Using unverified files can cause irreparable damage to your Windows registry and lead to total system instability. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. A maintenance-related solution is referenced below for users who want to review diagnostic options for Unity IL2CPP Runtime Services. I'm Sophie Chen. If this engineering guide helped resolve Unity IL2CPP Runtime Services dependency issues, consider subscribing so you have a trusted resource for future Windows troubleshooting.